Day 2 on the Camino. And there's Karen. Hey, Karen.
This is where never being afraid to reach up, reach down or sit down.
Yeah.
That woman ahead of us fell
Oh no.
quite badly.
Ooh. Yeah, it's easy to fall.
Yeah, that's why I go.
No, you gotta be slow and chill. Don't want to get injured.
Not up here when it's cold and wet. It's one thing to get injured in a pub. It's quite another to get injured up here.
True. Yeah.
Hello there.
Hey there, how are you?
Good.
Good.
You filming everything?
Not everything. Just the highlights.
Okay.
I'm waiting for Karen to...
But this just goes around and comes down.
Well, this is... I'm following the blue line.
Yeah.
Alright. We're climbing up this big hill. And it's raining a little bit. So here goes up the big hill. Karen putting on her rain gear. Up we go. Oh, there's stairs. Ooh, a little head.
For some reason.
Yeah.
There's a giant head right here.
There's a giant head. Yeah. Looking for those. We know we're on the right path.
Are we off the path? Off the app?
Oh, we're on the app. Okay, that's the way. That's the way we're gonna go. We'll check in with you later. Nice sheltered portion. Top of the hill. All downhill from here. Maybe. Look at little Jesus. Look at him. Yeah. They're not Jesus. Yes. The map say. There's the map. 4 miles. 4 miles to go. Alright, we can do it. That way. The hill. How close are we? Ooh, so close. So close. How close we are. the rocky path. Rocky path to the end. Almost there. Okay. Where's it? We are almost at the end.
Oh, successful.
Wet Pilgrim.
Even though the sun's come out. It's all weird.
Wind. Oh, I think we'll find a coffee somewhere. Pretty.
Very pretty. It is pretty. I mean, actually, I did not enjoy today. It wasn't that bad.
No.
We got the climbing done before it really got started.
Yeah.
And it's falling up again. I mean,
This is nice.
exactly, and it's beautiful country. And I was happy to be climbing in the cold. To me.
He does.
It's cool, it's
Yeah. Devil squirrel.
Pilgrim Mass here at 5, but it's only 2 in the afternoon, so there's no one else here. And they have quite a few local saints. St. Brunhild over here with its reliquary, and they have a 12th century statue of the Virgin